This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Ford Fusion Bluetooth. First, make sure your Ford Fusion is on and safely in park. Next, locate the phone button on your dashboard and press it to access the sync system. From the sync menu, you will then select the Add a Device option. This action initiates the pairing process, preparing your car to connect with your mobile phone. Now, grab your mobile phone and open its settings. Find the Bluetooth menu and ensure Bluetooth is turned on. You should see Sync appear in the list of available devices. Tap on it to select. Your phone and the car's sync screen will then display a 6-digit PIN. Verify that these numbers match on both devices to confirm the connection. After confirming the PIN, your Ford Fusion sync system will likely ask for permission to access your phone's contacts and messages. Grant these permissions to enable full functionality. To ensure everything is working correctly, try making a quick hands-free call. Finally, take a moment to adjust the audio settings to achieve your preferred sound quality and volume for calls and media. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the Ford Fusion sync system often resolves common problems. Also, double-check that your phone's Bluetooth is discoverable and that its battery is sufficiently charged. For those long drives, staying hydrated is key. You can find a link to the Owala water bottle, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy your connected driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.